Hello guys, we are going to give like a second life to this textile piece. So we are going to create a bookmark. So this embroidery is inspired by Katrina Witten, which is an English artist who has several books and she's selling templates, etc. So I am using as a template one bookmark that I had already, and I am using a scrapbooking paper. You have to use a paper that is not so thick because we are going to sew it on the sew machine. So it has not to be so thick, because if not you are going to have troubles afterwards with the sew machine. And so here I am just moving the fabric and seeing what composition I like the most, and then I am going to sew it. So here it is. I have to say that I have skipped the parts that are very thick, so I didn't sew all the piece, because with the embroidery threads, it was a lot of thickness on, especially in the middle of it. So I just skipped this part because you have to be careful, because you can even broke the sew needle, the sew machine needle. So be careful with that. And it's not, I don't really like that it's super perfect, so I just did it very quickly. And now I am just cleaning up the excess threads. You see, here is the parts that I didn't sew. And that's it. We are going to put the eyelet. And here I'm having some trouble deciding where is the base. Always happened to me, but in the end I got it. And I absolutely love this mixture of paper with the fabric and embroidery, and especially these floral compositions with different layers. And now I am using this rustic style lace, but you have many options here. Just use whatever you have in your studio. And so that's it for this week. I think this is a quick project. I hope you like it. If so, please give me a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my channel, and see you next time, guys. Bye.